We're going to do a quick install on the Bare Knuckle Performance coil cover for Pan Am. Remove the bolts. Install cover. We've got 2 bolts with washers and 2 longer spacers. Add Loctite. Pre-install on coil. Line up your holes. And torque to manufacturer's specifications.
So now the whole purpose of this coil cover is when you're riding, especially off-road, you get to banging around, your knees are moving, you're not going to be banging your coil wires off of your coil. BareKnucklePerformance.com.